Although there is no fire, I'm going to pull the fire alarm just for joke. Ha 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 ha. Beep! Wee wah wee. Ah, wee wah wee wah wee wah. Oh look! I think we are making a fire drill. Let's get out of the school building immediately. Let's move it. Ah! Wah wee wah wee wah wee wah wee wah wee wah wee. Billy, a security camera has shown a footage of you pulling a fire alarm. Why did you do this? It was a prank. Ha 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 ha. Billy, that isn't funny. We only take the emergency seriously. You only pull the fire alarm when there's a fire, not for a joke. You seriously get arrested. That's big time illegal and it's a very serious crime. For this, you are now suspended for 1 year. Go home right now while I call your parents. Billy, for fuck's sake! How fucking dare you pull the fire alarm? You know you might get arrested for this? Yeah, I agree with your dad. It's very illegal and you might get sentenced to jail. You only pull the fire alarm when there is an emergency, not for jokes. I know, I just wanted to have some fun and I just want to know how this works, just for joke. You already know how this works and we told you not for joke. You might get arrested and it's a serious crime. For this, you are now grounded until you are not suspended for 1 whole year. As punishment, you will be forced to eat the food that you don't like and watch the shows that you don't like. Go upstairs to your room right now and sleep. As for you, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!